Today we are going to study Unit 6, locations. Okay, Unit 6, locations. Let's talk. Okay, this is you and this is me. Okay? Oh,
Yes,
let's read. Hi, Kate. This is Jenny. Where are you?
I'm I'm at home. Where are you?
I'm at the park. Can you come to the park?
Sure.
Very good. Now, this is you. This is Laoshi, okay? Okay.
Hi, Kate. This is Jenny. Where are you?
I'm at home. Where are you?
I'm at the park.
Mm,
Can you come to the park?
sure. Okay. Can you say again? Can you come to the park? Chongfu?
Can you come to the park?
Sure. Okay. Now, let's move to the next part. And this is a song. Since we're not gonna sing, let's just read. Where's Tim? Okay, where's Tim? He's in the gym. Let's read.
Where's Jack?
Again, one more time. Where's Tim? He's in the gym. 重复.
Where's Tim? He's in the gym.
Very good. Where's Fred? He's home in bed.
Where's Fred? He's home in bed.
Where's Anne? She's in Japan.
Where's Anne? She's in Japan.
Where's Joe? I don't know.
Where's Joe? I don't know.
Very good. Where are Jack and Jill? They're in Brazil.
Where's Jack and Jill? They're in Brazil.
Yeah. Where's Lee? Under the apple tree.
Where's Lee? Under the apple tree.
Apple tree.
Apple tree.
Where's Gus? He's on the bus.
Where's Oz? He's on the bus.
Where's Joe? I don't know.
Where's Joe? I don't know.
Okay, now it's your turn. You have to read by yourself. Let's start from here. Where's Tim? Where's Tim?
Where's Tim? Where's Tim? He's in the gym. Where's Fred? He's home in bed. Where's Anne? She's in Japan. Where's Joe? I don't know. Where are Jack and Joe? They're in Brazil. Where's Lee? Under the apple tree. Where's Gus? He's on the bus. Where's Joe? I don't know.
Very good. Okay, that's very good, Katie. Again, let's say they're in Brazil. Brazil.
They're in Brazil.
Okay, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill.
Okay, Gus, bus. Gus, bus. 重复.
Gus, bus.
Joe, no.
Joe, no.
Very good. Tim, Jim. Tim, Jim.
Tim, Jim.
Fred
And bed.
and Japan.
And Japan.
Joe.
Joe, no.
Very good. Now let's move. Study English. Number 1, study English.
Study English.
I study English. I study English in the afternoon. 重复. I study English.
I study English.
Okay, just say I study English.
I study English.
Talk on the telephone.
Talk on the telephone.
I talk on the telephone.
I talk on the telephone.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Okay, number 4, practice the piano. I practice the piano.
I practice the piano.
Again, let's read asked and answer questions. What do you do every afternoon? Number 1. I
study English.
I study English.
I study English.
Okay, what do you do every afternoon? I
study English.
study.
Study.
Again, I study English.
I study English.
Number 2, what do you do every afternoon? I
talk on the
telephone.
telephone.
Okay, I talk on the telephone. 重复.
Talk on the telephone.
I talk on the telephone.
I talk on the telephone.
What do you do every afternoon? I
watch TV.
Very good. What do you do every afternoon? I practice the piano.
the piano.
Okay, very good. Now, let's move to the next part. Practice the words, okay? Look at this. Where is he? He's at school. Where is he? He's at school. Okay, let's practice first the words. Number 1. What's number 1? At
school.
Number 2.
At home.
Number 3.
At work.
Number 4.
At the library.
Very good. Number 5.
At the park.
Number 6.
At the zoo.
At the zoo. Okay, let's practice the question and answer. Where is he? Where is he? He's
at school.
Number 2. Where is she?
She's at home.
Very good. Where is he?
He's at work.
Number 4, where is she?
She's at work.
Number 4. Number 4, where is she?
She at the
She's
library.
at the library. 重复.
She's at the library.
Okay, where is he? Number 5, where is he?
He's at the park.
Number 6, where is she?
She's at the zoo.
Very good. What about you, Katie? Where are you? I'm
at home.
very good. I'm at home. All right. Where is mom? Where is mom?
Mom at work.
Okay, mom is at work. 重复.
Mom is at work.
Where is dad? Where is father?
Dad at work.
Dad is at work. Dad is at work.
At work.
Good job. All right. Now let's practice the question and answer. Look at this. Where is he? He's at the park. Where is she? She's at the park. Okay. Practice number 1. Where is he?
He's at the work.
Very good. He's at work. Number 2. Where is he?
He's at zoo.
He's at the zoo. 重复.
He's at the zoo.
Okay, number 3. Where is she?
She's at the park.
She's at the park. Number 4. Where is she?
She's at school.
Very good. Number 5. Where is he?
He's at the library.
He's at the library. Good job, Katie. Number 6. Where is he?
He's at the home.
He's at home. Again, 重复. He's
at work.
Number 6, he's at home. He's at home.
He's at home.
Very good job. Okay. Now here, letter D, ask and answer. Number 1, is she at home? Is she at home?
No, she isn't.
She's
at school.
She's at school. Good job. Number 2, is he at home?
No, he isn't. He's at park.
He's at the park. Very good. He's at the park.
He's at the park.
Number 3, is she at home? Is she at home?
Yes, she is.
Very good. Okay. So that's practice the question and answer. These are what we call locations. Okay? Locations.